If hiring feels slow, random, and expensive, your issue is not Indeed or your recruiter. It is that candidates can't tell why they should choose to work for you. Hello, everyone. My name is Bedford-Flood, and I am founder of NextGen Training and Consulting. I help small businesses build their own internal recruiting team using their existing members to source, recruit, hire, and onboard talent in order to avoid expensive staffing agencies. And today I will show you how to build a real employee value proposition that attracts the right people and improves retention. Let's start with the definition and ground rules. An employee value proposition is the clear, evidence-based answer to this question. Why should a high caliber person choose to work here, and what will they experience in return? It is not a slogan. It is not a perk. It is a promise that you keep. The ground rule: be specific, be honest about the pace and standards, back every claim with truth. Simplicity wins. Hiring without an EVP costs money. You spend on ads, lose hours to interviewing the wrong people, and churn new hires who feel misled. With a strong EVP, you will see three measurable shifts. Time to first qualified applicants drop. Interview to offer ratio improves because you filter earlier. First 90-day retention rises because expectations match reality. If your numbers do not improve, the EVP is too generic or you are not using it everywhere. There are 5 pillars for a strong EVP. We're going to discuss each, and I'm going to give you examples of each one. The first one is purpose. Make the work matter. Example: we keep grocery shelves stocked by delivering packaging parts on time. That impact statement beats "we make parts." The second part is the people. Name the traits. The example would be people who show up, solve problems, and coach teammates get promoted faster. Number 3 is performance. Tell the truth about standards and pace. For example, our line runs at X units per hour with Y% quality. Ownership is not optional. Number 4 is path. Show them the route. For example, operators can move to lead in 9 to 12 months by hitting targets and training others. 5, proof. Show receipts, promotion, quality, safety, customer renewals, internal referrals. If you can't prove it, cut it. Here's a step-by-step build plan to follow to create your EVP. Step 1, voice of employee interviews. 5 to 7 short conversations, 10 minutes each. Ask, what kind of person fails here and why? What standard never moves? What did the last promotion require, and why did you stay? Step 2, proof inventory. Pull 12 months of metrics: on-time deliveries, rework rates, safety days, internal promotions, referral hires, training completions, and create a one-page scoreboard. Step 3, market scan. Read 3 competitor career pages and 5 local job ads. Circle generic phrases like fast-paced, team player, great culture. Those are generic. You want to get rid of them. Your goal is to say something different and stand out, something that's more concrete and more unique to you. Step 4, draft the EVP. Use the 5-pillar paragraph format, 1 to 2 sentences each, but be sure to keep it under 140 words. And step 5, field test it. Run it by your top performers and 1 new hire in week 4. Ask them to mark what is true, what is unclear, and what sounds like marketing. Edit it until it is blunt and accurate. Step 6, version for deployment. Create 3 versions: a long paragraph for your careers page, short paragraph for job post and recruiter outreach, 1-line version for the first 10 seconds of your employer video. Turn your EVP into one of your greatest assets. Put it in your job postings. Lead with the EVP, not the job duties. Put the standards and proof above the requirements list. Put it in your onboarding packet as well. Build a 30, 60, and 90-day plan that proves your path promise. Put it in your referral programs. Teach employees the one-line version so they can refer people who fit. Your employer video is very important, and you need to make sure that you have one. Record a 60 to 90-second cut that mirrors the 5 pillars. This video is not a commercial. It is a video into your company. Here's a sample EVP you can adapt. We will use a skilled trades shop as an example. We build and repair equipment that keeps local plants running. People who show up, own quality, and help teammates get rewarded. We measure daily output and zero rework. We train every hire and promote from within. Last year, we hit 98% on time and promoted 7 techs to lead roles. Here's a distribution company example. We move critical goods from hospitals across the region. Reliable, detailed, strong people thrive here. We run tight pick accuracy and on-time windows. We cross-train and pay for certifications. Our team has a 180-day safety streak, and 30% of roles are filled through internal promotions. Common mistakes that you need to avoid when doing your EVP is copying big company language. It reads fake. Selling perks instead of standards is not what you want to do. The best people want clarity, not pizza. And don't hide the hard parts. Tell the truth about the pace. The wrong people will screen themselves out, which is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. Publish it once. It must live in every job ad, every outreach, every interview, and onboarding. If you're serious about fixing hiring, build your EVP this week. Do the interview, gather the proof, write the paragraph, and deploy it everywhere. Do you have an EVP? If so, does it attract the talent that you actually need? I would love to see your comments below. If you are serious about attracting better talent, connect with me on LinkedIn. I will put my link below, and we can get your EVP finalized in just a few days. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.